श्रीपाद सत्य भास्कर.
Mahodaya.
You are attending class for first time or?
No, Mahodaya, I'm attending regularly.
You wanted to chant?
Yes, Mahodaya. Me and my brother, Mahodaya.
Pardon?
Me and my brother also want to recite, Mahodaya.
Okay. So you are logged in a different name today, I think, right?
Yes, Mahodaya.
Ram. श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते महोदय.
यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्यानघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीराः सश्रियै चामृताय च. So Vari Varga, I will just issue has not chanted. I'll just see if anybody else is there who wants to chant Vari Varga. Anybody wants to chant Vari Varga, please raise your hand. Shamala Ramachandran. Okay. So let me make Shamala Ramachandran as panelist. Shamala Bhagini. Shamala Bhagini. Can you unmute yourself, Shamala Bhagini? Very good. So perfect. So one line our issue will tell. One line you will tell.
Okay.
So alternate lines. We will we will go for Vari Varga. You can start.
But not on the screen.
एक निमिषम् आगच्छति. Okay. So screen is there.
Yeah.
Screen is there.
Shall I start?
Start.
समुद्रोऽब्धिरकूपार पारावार सरित्पतिः
उदान्वानुदधिः सिन्धुः सरस्वान् सागरोर्णवः
उदन्वान्
रत्नाकरो
उदन्वान्
जलनिधि
एकनिमिषम् उदन्वान् इति वदतु उदान्वान् इति वक्तुं गत्वा उदन्वान् इति संकोचं कृतवती उदन्वान् इत्येव वक्तव्यम्
उदन्वानुदधिः सिन्धुः सरस्वान् सागरोर्णवः
रत्नाकरो जलनिधिर्यादपतिरपाम्पतिः रत्नाकरो जलनिधिर्याद repeat रत्नाकरो जलनिधिर्यादपतिरपाम्पतिः
तस्य प्रभेदाः क्षीरोदो लवणोदस्तथा परे
आपस्त्री भूम्निवाद्वारी सलिलं कमलं जलम्
पयः कीलालममृतं जीवनं भुवनं वनम्.
So screen is not on. कबन्धमुदकं भात पुष्करं सर्वतोमुखम्
क्षीराम्बुशम्बरम् अम्भोर्णस्तोयपानीयनीरक्षीराम्बुशम्बरम्
कृपीटं काण्डमस्त्री स्याज्जीवनीयं कुशं विषम्
मेघपुष्पं घनरसस्त्रिषु द्वे अप्यमयम्
भङ्गस्तरङ्ग उर्मिर्वा स्त्रियां वीचिरतोर्मिषु
भङ्गस्तरङ्ग ऊर्मि नास्ति
भङ्गस्तरङ्गमूर्मि वा स्त्रियां वीचिरतोर्मिषु
महत्सल्लोलकल्लोलौ स्यादावर्तोऽम्भसां भ्रमः
महत्सल्लोल नास्ति
महत्सूल्लोलकल्लोलौ स्यादावर्तोऽम्भसंभ्रमः
पृशन्ति बिन्दुपृशताः पुमांसो विपृश श्रियाम्
चक्राणि पुटभेदाः स्युः भ्रमाश्च जलनिर्गमाः
कूलं रोदश्च तीरं च प्रतीरं च तटं त्रिषु
पारावारे परार्वाचि तीरे पात्रं तदन्तरम्
दीपो स्त्रियामन्तरीपं यदन्त वारिणस्तटम्
तोयोत्थितं तत्पुलिनं सैकतं सिकतामयम्
निषद्वरस्तु जम्बाल पङ्को स्त्रीशादकर्दभौ
जलोच्छ्वासाः परिवाहाः कूपकास्तु विदारकाः
नाव्यं त्रिलिङ्गं नौताद्ये स्त्रियां नौस्तरणिस्तरिः
उडुपन्तु प्लवः कोलः स्रोतोऽम्बुसरणं स्वतः
आतरस्तरपण्यं स्यात् द्रोणी काष्ठाम्बुवाहिनी
साय्यात्रिकः पौत्रवाणिक् कर्णाधारस्तु नाविकः
कर्णधारस्तु पोतवणिक् कर्णधारस्तु नाविकः
साय्यात्रिकः पौतवणिक् कर्णधारास्तु नाविकः
कर्णधारस्तु नाविकः एकनिमिषं पुस्तके कर्णधारा धारा इति अस्ति वा
धारस्तु it is dhara in
कर्णधारस्तु
अस्तु अग्रे
नियामकापो तवाः कूपको गुणवक्षकः
नौकादण्डः क्षेपणी स्यादरित्रं केनिपातकः
अब्रि स्त्रीकाष्ठकुद्धाल सेकपात्रं तु सेचनम्
यानपत्रं तु पोतोऽब्धि भवे त्रिषु समुद्रियम्
यानपात्रं तु
पोतोऽब्धि भवे त्रिषु समुद्रियम्
क्लीबेर्दनावं नावोर्धे तीतनौकेतिनु त्रिषु
दृष्ट्वागाधात् प्रसन्नेच्छः कलुषोन्नच्छ आविलः
निम्नं गभीरं गम्भीरमुत्थानं तद्विपर्यये
अगाधमचलस्पर्शे कैवर्ते दाशधीवरौ
आनाय पुंसि जालं स्यात् क्षणसूत्रं पवित्रकम्
मत्स्याधानी कुवेणी स्यात् बडिशं मत्स्यवेधनम्
ऋतुरोमासशो मत्स्यो मीनो वैसारिणोण्डजः
विसारशकलीचाथ गडकः शकुलार्भकः विसारशकलीचाथ गडकः शकुलार्भकः
सहस्रदंष्ट्रपाटीन उलूपी शिशिकः समौ
नलमीनश्चिलिचिमः प्रोष्ठीतु शफरीद्वयोः
क्षुद्राण्डमत्स्य सङ्घात पोतदानमतो दशाः
रोहितो मद्गुरशालो राजीवः शकुलस्तिमिः
तिमिङ्गिलादयश्चात यादांसि जलजन्तवः
तद्भेदाशिशुमारोद्रशङ्खवो मकरादयः
स्यात्कुलीरः कर्कटः कूर्मे कमटकच्चपौ
ग्राहो वहारो नक्रस्तु कुम्भीरोऽथ महीलता
गण्डूपदः किञ्चुलको निहाका गोधिका समे
रक्तपातु जलौकायं स्त्रियां भूम्नि जलौकसः रक्तपातु जलौकायां स्त्रियां भूम्नि जलौकसः
मुक्ता स्फोटस्त्रियां शुक्तिः शङ्कः स्यात् कम्बुरस्त्रियौ
क्षुद्रशङ्खाः शङ्खनखाः शम्बुका जलशुक्तयः
धन्यवादाः धन्यवादाः उत्तमरीत्या इतोपि अभ्यासं करणीयम् इषु भगिनी श्यामला भगिनी उत्तमरीत्या उक्तवती इदानीं वेंकटेश्वरन गोपाल
Namaskaram, sir.
Or Mr. Sir. Sripada Satya Bhaskar.
Am Mahodaya.
So one of you, amongst you both, one of you tell. Venkateshwaran Gopala will. One of you can tell one line. So Venkateshwaran Gopala, please start. Beke Manduka. Venkateshwaran Gopala, Beke Manduka. Venkateshwaran Gopala, please unmute yourself.
Audible, sir. Beke manduka varsha bhusha lura plavadarduraha.
Bhagini, can you tell? Can you unmute yourself, please?
Namaskaram Mahodaya.
Sili Gandu Padi Bheki Varshabhi Kamathi Dulihi
Madgurasya priya shringi durnama dirghakoshika.
Jalasaya Jaladhara Statra Gadha Jalo Hradaha
Aha vastu nipanam syadupakopa jalashaye.
Pumsye Vandhu Prahe Kupa Udapanam Tu Pumsiva.
Very good.
Nemastrikasya viraho mukabandhanamasya yat.
Nemistrikasya Veena.
Nemistrikasya vinaho sukabandhanamasya yat.
Pushkarinyam
It is not Sukabandhanam. Mukabandhanam.
Mukabandhanamasya yat.
Pushkarinyam tu khatam syada khatam deva khatakam
Padmakarastadagostri kasarasarasi saraha.
Veshantah palvalam chalpasaro vapitu dirghika
Keyentu parikadaras-tvambasam yatra dharanam.
Syadalavalamavalamavatha nadi sarita
Tarangini shaivalini tatini hradini dhuni.
Protasvati dvipavati sravanti nimnagapaga
Kalankasha nirjarini roda vatra saraswati. Kalankasha nirjarini roda vatra saraswati.
Ganga Vishnupadi.
Yes, sir. Kulankasha nirjarini rodha vatra saraswati.
Ganga Vishnupadi Janhutanaya Suranimnaga
Bhagirathi Tripadaga Vistrita Bhishma Surapi.
Kalindi Suryatanaya Yamuna Samanasvasa
Reva tu Narmada Somad Bhava Mekala Kanyaka.
Karatoya Sadaniya Bahuda Saitavahini
Shata Drustu Sutudri Syat Vipashatu Vipashtriyam.
Chono Hiranyavahasyat Kulyalpa Krutrima Sarit
Sharavati Ne Vektravati Chandrabhaga Saraswati.
Kaviri Saritonyascha Sambheda Sindhu Sangamaha
Dvayo pranali payasaf padavyam trishatuttarau.
Devikayam Saraivam Cha Bhaveda Vikasaravau
सौगन्धिकं तु कह्लारं हल्लकं रक्तसन्ध्यकम्
स्यादुत्पलं कुवलयमथ नीलाम्बुजन्म च
इन्दीवरं च नीलेऽस्मिन् सिते कुमुदकैरवे
सालूकमेषाङ्कन्दस्याद्वारिपर्णीतु कुम्भिका
जलनीली तु शैवालं शैवलोतकुमुद्वती
कुमुदिन्यां नलिन्यां तु बिसिनी पद्मिनी मुखाः
वा पुंसि पद्मं नलिनमरविन्दं महोत्पलम्
सहस्रपत्रं कमलं शतपत्रं कुशेशयम्
पङ्केरुहं तामरसं सारसं सरसीरुहम्
बिषप्रसूनराजीव पुष्कराम्भोरुहानि च
पुण्डरीकं सिताम्भोजमथ रक्तसरोरुहे
रक्तोत्पलं कोकनदं नालोनालमथ स्त्रियाम्
मृणालं बिसमब्जादि कदम्बे षण्डमस्त्रियाम्
कराहातस्य फाकण्डः किञ्चुलकः केसरो स्त्रियाम्
संवर्तिका नवदलं बीजकोशो वराटकः
उक्तं स्वर्व्योमधिक्कालधीशब्दादिशनाट्यकम्
पातालभोगिनरकं वारिचैषां च सङ्गतम्
इत्यमरसिंहकृतौ नामलिङ्गानुशासने
स्वरादिकाण्ड प्रथमसाङ्ग एव समर्थितः।
धन्यवादाः संयुक्तम्। We will study some meanings, a few lines if possible today. Navyam Trilingam. I think from there we have to study. Navyam Trilingam. What is that? Just Navyam Trilingam Nautarye Striyam Naustaranistarihi. Anybody wants to try the Padacheda and tell me the linga, what it means? Anybody wants to try, please, you can try. I will first put down all the hands. People who want to try, you can always tell. Ananta Krishna Mahodaya, I will try. Navyam Trilingam Nautarye Striyam Naustaranistarihi.
नाव्यम त्रिलिंगम नाव्य शब्द त्रिलिंग नाव्यः नाव्य नाव्यम नौतार्ये स्त्रियां नौतार्यं स्त्रियां नौतार्ये स्त्रियां नौ त्रिलिंगम नौतार्ये नाव्यम त्रिलिंगम नौतार्यमपि त्रिलिंगम स्त्रियां नौः तरणिस्तरिः स्त्रीलिंग.
What is the meaning of Nautarye?
नवतार्ये.
So Nautarya is defining Navyam. Navyam means Nava Gantum Yogyam. That with So Nautarya means a river that can be crossed with the help of a boat is called as Navyam.
Navyam. Okay. Okay.
For that, so that Navya Shabda is in Trilinga and Nautarya is the meaning for it.
Okay.
Now Striyam knows Taranis Tarihi. Can you split that part? Striyam.
Yes. Striyam nauhu aukarantah taranis tarihi.
Nauhu. So which are the three words?
Nauhu taranihi tarihi.
Which linga? All three?
Strilinga.
Even Tarani is also Strilinga?
Tarani is Strilinga.
Okay. Striyam knows Taranis Tarihi. Okay. Next line. Udupantu
Plavakola Srotom Saranam Swataha. Udupam is the Napumsakalinga. Plavaha Kolaha Srotaha Amsaranam Swataha. So
what is Udupa?
Udupa is this Doni Kannada.
Kannada Doni, but it is called then what is boat?
Boat. Okay. Udupam Plavaha.
No. What is boat and what is Doni? So there is a Udupa there. There is also now who is there? Now who Taranihi Tarihi. That can be boat. Then what is Udupam?
Udupam is small boat.
Small boat, and it can also mean an open boat. That is raft.
Okay.
You call it as a raft, no?
Okay.
Just a stick, a piece of wood.
Yes.
On which. So Kalidasa has used this Udupena, Smisagaram. He has used this word. That is why it has become very famous.
Okay. Plavaha, Kolaha mean the same. Plavaha, Kolaha, Srotaha, Ambusaranam, Napumsakalinga.
So Udupam is Napumsakalinga. Plavaha and Kolaha are
Pullinga. Srotaha api Pullingaha. Ambusaranam Napumsakalinga.
But Shrotaha. Shrotas Napumsakalinga. Shrotas is Napumsakalinga. Ambusaranam Swataha. What is Ambusaranam?
Ambusaranam is which is used for to cross the river, cross water.
No. Shrotas, Ambusaranam, they are called as Swataha, Swatas. Swataha, Shrotas, Ambusaranam, all three Napumsakalinga. Now, our Swataha can be Pullinga also. I think Swataha is Pullinga. But Sroto Ambusaranam, now this is natural current in the water.
Okay.
Shrotas, what our Chiraswami, what does he give? Just see. Vegena Jalavahane Shrotaha. So, Shrotaha, you can call it as a natural current of water which goes naturally it flows. Natural Jalapravaha, which is natural current, is called as Shrotas.
Ambusaranam api.
Ambusaranam api, Swataha api.
Okay.
So there are three words for it. Okay.
Mahodaya. In the Ranganatha Sharma book, it says Srotas Tanadi Hariyuva Jalapravaha. So Swataha Ambusaranam is the definition for Srotas. According to here,
So okay, Ambu Saranam Srotaha. 1 second, I will just confirm. Yes, you are right. So Ambu Swataha Ambu Saranam Shrotaha iti uchyate. So that is meaning and that is not a synonym. Yes, you are right. Pratibha Bhagini, you are right.
So only two words.
Only one word, Shrotas.
Srotas Ambu Saranam.
Ambu Saranam also, Swataha Ambu Saranam
Swataha Ambu
Shrotaha.
Saranam. So
That is how we have to take it. Okay, next, Atarastara Panyam Syat.
Atarastharapanyam Syat Droni Kashtambu Vahini. Ataraha Pullinga, Tarapanyam Napusangalingam, Syat Droni Kashtambu Vahini. That is
Tarapanyam means see, even in those days, Amarasimha's days, first thing what we understand is boat was there. There were raft was there. There was one boatman, and we had to pay some money to for him to fetch us from one bank to another bank.
yes,
That is why he is
Atara.
giving that. That is called Atara.
Ataraha.
The money given to the boatman or the coin which you give to the boatman for him to help us cross the river. That is called Tarapanyam.
Okay.
Atarastarapanyam Syat. So there are two words. Ataraha is Pullinga, Tarapanyam is
Napusangalinga. Syat Droni Kashtambu Vahini. That is a boat made up of sticks.
So what they do is
thatched boat.
Ekanimisham Kashtambu Vahini. So Ambu Vahini. What they are saying is Ekanimisham. I will just confirm what it is. So Kashtambu Vahini, what
wooden trough is mentioned in
correct.
Monier Williams.
Wooden
Trough in Monier Williams.
Wooden trough that is used to fill water and pour it out. Suppose water enters the boat.
Okay.
So then you need to have a bucket that is called droni, and it is made of wood. Kashtambu Vahini. It fills the water. You fill the water in that bucket or droni and put it out back into the river.
Droni is something like Tadbhava Donne.
Donne, that is bucket. Droni, you can say it's a measuring jar. Dronaha, droni.
Kannada Donne we say.
Donne. But here it is bigger one. It is not bigger Donne is smaller one for prasadam, but this is very big, very big.
Okay.
Which is inside, which is inside a boat.
Yes.
Okay. Dhanyavada. Kashtambu Vahini. So Syadroni Kashtambu Vahini. So we'll stop there. Anybody has any questions, please raise the hand. Only questions, sir. Ananta Krishna Mahodaya, thank you very much for all the enlightening answers. Chitra Tyagarajan, you have a question? 1 minute, I will ask Ashok first. I will first unmute Ashok Mahodaya. He has raised the hand. Ashok Mahodaya, please ask the question first. Ashok Mahodaya, can you unmute yourself?
Yeah. Thank you. Yesterday, I have told the meaning of Jagotchvasa as inundation. And inundation, I said this store of water. It is wrong. I made a mistake. Inundation is overflow of floods. Overflow of floods.
Overflow. Okay. Okay. Sir.
Overflow.
Thank you.
It is inundation. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So I correct my mistake.
Thank you, sir. No problem. No problem, sir. Everybody makes mistake. I also make mistake. Chitra Tyagarajan.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Ah.
In Pankti 551, Visaras, is it Shakuli or Shakali?
Which one? Visara Shakali.
Shakali, is it? Because when I printed out, it was mentioned as Shakuli.
Visaraha. Shakuli. It is Shakuli, not Shakali. It is Shakuli.
Shakuli only, isn't it? Okay. Because when people recited, they said Vishara Shakali Chatak Katakas Shakular Baka. Adinalda Keten.
Okay, okay. Thank you for that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Amrit Patel, you have any question?
Service calling.
Balam sir, you have any question? Balam sir, you have any question?
Namaskar, sir. I have this Mani Prabha Vyakya in which it says Droni, Kashtambu Vahini. Both of them are mentioned as Kaat ki banai gayi choti now. That is Dongi. That is two names for boats made of small boat made of wood. That is what it says. So I just wanted to clarify this.
So what there are different Vakyanas are giving that as different thing. Droni is a measuring jar. Dronaha bucket we tell. In Vyakarana Shastra also Drono Vrihi, that term comes. So this Droni is there. This Droni Kashtambu Vahini. Ambu Vahini means Kashta means it is made of wood. Ambu Vahini is a water collector. That which collects water and you throw. So what happens is when you are going in a boat, sometimes the water enters the boat. That time you collect the water and throw it out. That is what is the Kshira Swami and other Vyakhana Kartas are telling that. But however, what you said as a small boat inside a boat cannot be ruled out. It cannot be ruled out.
Okay. I just wanted to clarify, sir. Thank you very much.
Right. That's correct. Right. Sushila Subramaniam.
At 551, Shakali is also written in the book as Shakalin. Shakuli also it's written in Chaukamba publications.
In Chaukamba, it is Shakuli. In
Shakali also written, then Sakali, Sakalin. Three things they have written. Shakalin, Shakuli, then Sakali. Three options there.
I will come back to you on that.
Okay, just for information.
Ramakrishnan Srinivasan.
Ram Hodya. Udupam to Palava Kolaha. Udupam is circular parisal children. Parisal. It is given like that. Udupam.
Right.
Vatamana. Raft. But it is a circular thing. Parisal Parisal and the meaning is conveyed in this Saraswati Moral book. And that Plavaha is also Tapakatai. Tapam. Tapam Bondrablia. Tapam.
Right.
Flatter. Nare sticks on the cast of the Bora giant money. Tapam. And the Mary meaning.
That is also. No worries. Dhanyavada. So we have come up till boat. Now we have to again continue. In the next class, we will continue the meanings. Next week we will do more of meanings, and we will try to finish by next week all the meanings of Varivarga. So next week class very important for those who want to understand the meanings. C.S. Padmashri, you have any question? C.S. Padmashri.
I believe I believe Udupa, the last name of some families in Karnataka comes from this.
What is the family name? What does it tell?
No, I meant to say Udupam, it says here. So Udupa, the family name also comes, whatever, the boat raft thing. That's what it means, I believe.
So what is the tatparya of that?
Probably those communities were related to this vocation.
Oh, this vocation.
They were associated with this probably formerly long ago.
Okay, maybe yes. So Udupa family. Why? Which Udupa? Okay, it might be that.
Yes, sir.
But
Thank you,
most
sir.
of the Udupas in Karnataka, most of the Udupas are Brahmins.
Yes. Yes, sir.
That is one thing which we should. These are surnames in Karnataka, and they are now the surnames whomsoever I have seen as Udupa, they are Brahmins.
Yes, sir.
That is where I am thinking whether it has come from really this word. We just have to think about it. I will just think and get back to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mahodaya, when is this Amarakosha test?
So my plan now, as I told you, is to finish this Prathama Kanda first, full meanings, and then go finish the exercises and then go for the test. This is the plan.
Okay. So it might be October also.
It will go to October because to finish the meanings of Varivarga, 100 lines are there. We are now still in the 20th line. So Varivarga meanings I want to finish, and then I want to go for exercises for 2-3 vargas, and then start doing the tests one by one. Our tests and exercises can go in parallel. So that is how I want to do. First, I want to finish the Prathama Kanda with meaning and finish the Pata, so that we only have the test and we only have the exercises to complete.
Astu Mahodaya.
Dhanyavada. I know this is slightly different from the original plan, but now because in December month I have some Parayanam and other things, so I may not be available for some days in the December. That's why I want to finish the Pata and exercises and this one. So I am thinking that is why I want to finish whatever has to be taught. Then we can revise and do other things. Others also can do. Other teachers also can do that in the month of December. I'm talking about December. But we will, I think, by October end we will be able to look at the test. Navaratri time. Okay. Anyway, that time is not cannot be predicted now because we have a lot of meanings to be covered and some pronunciation tips. There are a lot of things which have been questions have been raised. I made a note of all that. So I want to do all that and then do the test. Pronunciation tips, one class has to be done. Then the exercises have to be covered so that the meaning and the written test can be done very properly. And then I will go for the test so that it is a thorough revision of the Prathama Kanda. and people who attended this revision class and all these class, they will get maximum benefit, so that in the test they will perform well, in the oral test and in the written test also. So this is my plan. I don't want to hurry the test now, and because if I hurry the test now, only the Swargavarga memorization can be done properly. I want to see how the entire Prathama Kanda can be faced one by one as a test, and I will announce that properly. So after I finish the meaning of Varivarga, I will have a concrete plan which I will announce in the class. Please bear with me for all these inconsistencies, but this is I am thinking that this will be best for all of us. That is correct. With the current thinking, I am proceeding. There may be some thinking that you have, okay, I will be taking a test in the September, but please pardon me for that. The test may not be held in September. धन्यवादाः. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिमहीषाः. गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु.